Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating on how you can configure your EC6000 or 800. To begin, press mode once, enter the password which is 1200. From the configuration list, we can tell that this controller has 2 current output with 3 relays. Now let's begin with current 1 setting. Current 1 setting allows you to adjust the 4 to 20 mA scale for the main parameter, which in this case is microsiemens. We have an offset function as well with filter time. And as for current 2, you can set or adjust the 4 to 20 scale for the temperature compensation. Now for relay 1, you can turn it on or off, and here we have close SP and open SP. SP represents the set point, so let's take this value for an example. Close SP means close set point at 1000 and open SP or open set point at 10 means that when the controller measures up to 1000 microsiemens, the relay will be energized. And when you blip off your cooling water, for instance, until the reading drops to 10, the relay will be de-energized or open circuit. Same goes for relay 2. As for relay 3, it is a very special relay because it is used for cleaning, or you can connect it to an alarm. The interval alarm allows you to use it for batch indication. From the measurement setting, you're able to select the mode that you like to measure, either it's in conductivity, resistivity, salinity, or TDS. Once you have selected the measurement setting, you'll be brought to a page where you can select the range of measurement that you like, and as well as offset. The temperature setting allows you to select automatic or manual temperature compensation. You can select the probe type as well. Comes with an offset temperature. The RS485 setting allows you to assign an ID address for this controller, and you can also adjust or select the baud rate that you desire. You can key in your local time at the date setting, and here we have a data log setting. Yes, the EC6000 and 800 comes together with a data logger. You can turn them on or off and select the display that you would like. For record, you'll be able to see lists of records, while XY chart projects a graph or a chart for you, and you can reset the record as well. With the save period of 60 seconds, you can store up to approximately a year of data. And as for output test, you can use this function during testing and commissioning. Say if I would like to see if my controller is correct, all I have to do is key in the value and press enter. And as for now, it is injecting 7 mA through the current 1 output. We can manually turn on and off the relay. Same goes for relay 2 and relay 3. Here we have a backlight setting where we can select it to shut off the backlight in 60 seconds, or you can do it manually. To access the data logger, press up once, and here we have the data. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day ahead. Bye bye.